Anthony.
Hello.
How are you this evening?
I'm doing good. How are you?
What school are you from?
I'm from Silver Creek High School.
Silver Creek?
hmm
Awesome. So you're a sophomore?
Yeah.
Great. Hi, Madison. And I'm she hears. So thank you for joining us tonight. Chef Pero and I are the two culinary instructors at Prosser. What school are you in, Madison? Silver Creek as well. Awesome. Are you both sophomores? Freshmen? Thank you for joining us tonight. Do you guys have any questions about culinary? Are you interested in joining us at Prosser? Hi, LB.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you. I'm bringing my son and my husband in as well.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. I'm Chef Good, and this is Chef Farrell. We both are instructors at Prosser for the Culinary Hospitality Program. So let me answer real quick Madison's question. Yeah, the program begins in your junior year. I don't know if you see the chat on the side, but if you guys have any questions and you want to type those questions, please feel welcome to do that. Hi there.
Say hello.
Hello.
This
Oh,
is Isaiah.
what school are you in?
He said, what school?
Rock Creek.
He goes to Rock Creek.
So you know Coach Pero and Mr. Pero then?
Yes, sir.
That's my brother and my dad.
I don't have to tell him.
So this is Isaiah. He's currently a sophomore, so he's looking for the program next year.
Wonderful.
Okay. What's your last name, Isaiah?
Ball.
So like Chef said earlier, does anybody have any questions about the program or anything? We're here to try to clear up any gray areas anybody has.
Oh, okay. Are you going to talk a little bit about the curriculum?
Sure, yeah. So the program's split up into two separate years. In the first year, what we do is kind of teach them the foundations of cooking. So we teach them a lot of the basic preparation techniques. So I do the savory side of the food. Chef Good does the sweet side of the food. So with me, they'll do knife cuts and they'll learn how to saute. They'll learn the different cooking techniques and things. And then Chef Good will teach them how to scale out a recipe, how to work with baked goods, things like that. And ideally in a non-COVID year. They get a lot of experience cooking in our cafe because the juniors produce food Wednesday through Friday, and then we sell it in the Prosser Cafe to students, staff, and the public. And then we also do on-site and off-site catering events through the program as well that they would get to participate in to give them some experience in large-scale production as well as some serving techniques and things as well. And then in the senior year, they come back, or the second year of the program, they come back and we kind of go more in depth into specific techniques and specific products to give them a deeper knowledge of it. To where, I mean, we've had many students leave our program and either jump directly into the industry and know exactly what they're doing in the kitchen, or go off to culinary school and be at the top of their class. Because the 2 years of our program pretty much amounts to what you would learn in your first year at culinary school. So you would get to go there and know exactly what was going on and be able to excel at it. You want to add anything else, Chef?
Yeah, I mean, they'll have some base on it. Then we also have programs or things that are part of our first and second year. In the junior year, our students participate in the industry, doing their job shadow, which they are required to do 4 hours in shadow somebody in the industry that is active, whether if it's a restaurant or maybe a nutritionist or just the different areas of our career or the industry itself. And then our second year, we are tentatively looking into exploring after things normalize for our students to participate in possibly internships or externships. As things are available and it permits. Our students also get certified for Serve Safe the second year. So the first semester of second year, we certify them for Serve Safe. So that right there, if they are already working in the industry, I mean, it allows them to have a little raise or have have that under their wing, under their belt by the time that they graduate from our program as well. So.
Awesome. Can you explain a little bit about how this schedule, the Prosser schedule, will be incorporated into his daily schedule, like his regular school schedule? How does that work?
Yeah, so as someone who went to Rock Creek and went to Prosser, basically what it equates to is Prosser will essentially replace the first 3 periods of his day for the first year program. So he'll come to Prosser. We start at 7:55. And then at 10:35, he gets out. He'll head back to Rock Creek. And I believe he gets there either just in time for or just after lunch. And then I believe he'll go off to 4th period, and then he'll be there for 4, 5, 6, and 7. I can't remember exactly how many periods they have right now. And then the second year program, it replaces that second half of the day. So he'll leave just after lunch and come until we get out at 2 o'clock.
Okay. You got any questions just about like the industry? Okay.
Is there with that, do they get is there like a culinary set that they have to get, like knives or bowls or?
No, so we have all the equipment in our kitchen that they'll use on a day-to-day basis. They do get a uniform from the class, so he'll get 2 chef coats like ours without the blue trim. They'll have his name and the Prosser logo on them, and then he'll get a pair of checkered pants that he'll wear, and then 2 4-fold aprons and 2 skull caps, and he'll wear those every day that he's in class, and he gets to keep those. We're unclear on if there is or is not going to be a program fee as of right now. They tell us in the future, like near future, there's not going to be. I don't know if that will be for sure next year or not. So probably at a later date towards the summer and stuff, we will probably know that for sure. But essentially, that's what that covers. So yeah, he'll get the uniform and stuff, but he doesn't need to purchase anything else because we have actually quite a bit of equipment. Our kitchen underwent renovation almost 3 years ago now, I think, and they spent $750,000 on equipment for the kitchen, and then with construction and everything, it was over $2 million on our kitchen. So it's state of the art. We actually have some of the like catering service that works out of the Yum Center. We went to see their facility. They came to see ours, and they said that ours is actually better equipped than theirs. So it's a really, really beautiful place. I really wish we could have had everybody in there tonight so y'all could see it as well. But I'm sure at some point over his time in the program, you'll be able to get in there and see it.
Well, awesome.
Any other questions?
I'm good. I'm just excited. And he can't start that next year, correct? Like this upcoming.
Yeah, we talked about it.
Correct.
Okay.
It's June.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if you talk to Miss Brown, she should be able to get you the application when the time comes. I think applications should go live pretty soon here because I think the selection day is sometime in the April timeframe. So she should be able to get you the application for it, and then he'll get it submitted, and should be pretty good to go from there. Our program tends not to cap out very quickly, so he should have a pretty decent chance of getting in there right away. So, yeah.
Chef Perro's son, and Mr. Perro, his teacher's brother.
Also, he should already have some good favor with y'all and everything. So yeah.
I know. Yeah.
All right.
Well, awesome.
Well, thank you for doing this. It's helpful. I mean, this is what he says he wants to get into. So we'll see.
All righty. Yeah, we're glad to help. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks, Chef Good.
Thank you. If you want to, I'm gonna write down the emails here. If you have any questions that you can come up later on, please feel free to email Chef Pearl or I, or both of us, and we'll be, happy to answer those questions. So I'm gonna go ahead and write these emails. And then
Email. Oh, there it is.
And then I meant to put them all together, but it didn't. So there you go.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You guys have a good evening. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Madison, do you have any more questions? Anthony, is there anything you would like to ask?
Yeah, I was wondering when the video for like the open house would be posted. On the website.
It is live right now. So if you go to YouTube and you type in Prosser TV, it'll show like a playlist of all the different videos, and ours is on there.
Did you say Prosser TV?
Prosser TV, yes.
All right, thank you.
All the other programs' videos are up there as well.